How to scan QR code in Alight Motion. First of all, you need to install a QR code scanner, or if your phone has a built-in one, open that to start the process. Once the QR scanner is open, point your phone's camera at the QR code, or to import, tap on the image icon at the bottom and your phone's media gallery will appear on the screen. Select the QR code image to open it. Once it opens, select the code area to apply the scanning process. Once it's done, tap on OK button. Within a few moments, the QR code will be scanned and you will get a web link on your phone screen. You can copy it or tap on search. If the QR code contains an Alight Motion project or preset, it will open automatically and you can apply it directly to your project. And that's it. This is how you can scan a QR code in Alight Motion. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.